In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a rotation in the Rotation Wizard. Now that you have all of your information put in on the farm screen and the nutrient screen, and have a good grasp on how the cropping screen works, you are now ready to start planning your farm. Planning can be done much more efficiently using the Rotation Wizard, which is why we recommend it for so many farmers using SnapPlus. Using the wizard, you can design your own crop rotation with nutrient applications included, and apply it to multiple fields to save precious time you would have spent manually entering a cropping plan for each individual field. With the cropping screen in view, click on the Rotation Wizard button, and the SnapPlus Rotation Wizard window will appear. In Step 1, choose which operation you would like to perform. Click on Add Crop and Application Data to Fields, and click Next. To create a rotation, click on Edit Rotations, and the Rotation Editor box will appear. Click on the plus sign here to create a new rotation, and an input text box will appear. An interesting feature of the Rotation Editor is that you can simply enter crop abbreviations for the rotation's name, and it will automatically generate a crop rotation from the given crop abbreviation order. Crop abbreviations can be found in the input box by clicking on the question mark in the upper right-hand corner of the window. Otherwise, you can name the rotation whatever you'd like and manually choose which crops you'd like in your rotation. I'm going to enter the crop codes to save time. For example, if my typical rotation is 3 years corn, oatlage with alfalfa seeding, and 3 years of established alfalfa, I will enter in this cropping sequence. Once you have chosen a name, click Accept. Crops will automatically fill in, and you can change yields and tillage as needed. If you click on the year, such as first year corn, you can add fertilizer or manure applications below. When adding nutrient applications, we suggest sticking with the known basics such as starter fertilizer or a standard rate of manure. This is because total nutrient application rates should be based on UW recommendations, which are not calculated until crops are assigned to specific fields. Fertilizer and manure can also be added and edited later in the Rotation Editor. After making needed adjustments and additions, click on Close. The Rotation Wizard window will now be in view, showing your new rotation in the drop-down list of rotations. Repeat the process taken in this tutorial until you have all the desired rotations you want for your farm. Once you've done this, you are now ready to apply your rotations to your fields. This is the end of the tutorial on creating rotations in the Rotation Wizard. See the following tutorials for more information on the Rotation Wizard.